Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail stickers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Teenitor 50 Sheets Seasonal Nail Stickers. The Teenitor nail stickers offer 50 sheets of vibrant and stylish designs, perfect for every season. You get an assortment of colorful and gold patterns, including flowers, hearts, butterflies, and festive themes like Christmas and Halloween, making it easy to match your nails to any time of year. These stickers are simple to use. You don't need any special nail skills or brushes. Just peel and stick with tweezers, saving you time and effort. Plus, their self-adhesive nature ensures they stay in place well, and you can even use them on other smooth surfaces. Applying a top coat will help keep your nail art looking fresh for longer. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Teenitor 50 Sheets 3D Nail Stickers Set. The Teenitor nail stickers offer a fun and easy way to create stylish nail art without any special skills. With 50 sheets featuring 7 unique styles, you can mix and match cute designs like butterflies, fruits, and holiday themes that are perfect for both kids and women. These stickers save you time since you don't need nail polish or brushes. Just peel and stick for a neat look in seconds. The strong adhesive ensures the decals stay firmly in place, and you can even decorate other smooth surfaces. This set is great for beginners and nail art lovers who want a quick, mess-free way to enjoy creative manicures. At number 3, we have the Dashing Diva Lavender Dreams Gel Nail Strips. The Dashing Diva gel strips offer a quick and easy way to achieve salon-quality nails at home. These gel nail stickers are designed to last up to 14 days without chipping, so you can enjoy a polished look for 2 full weeks. The Lavender Dreams design features a stylish mix of gray lavender and ivory shades with sparkling gold and rose gold glitter accents, giving your nails a beautiful shine. Applying the strips is simple and fast. Just prep your nails, stick on the strips, and file off the excess. Plus, there's no need for UV light or drying time, making your manicure hassle-free and ready in minutes. At number 2, we have the SPLOCUDU Colorful Cute Daisy. SPLOCUDU flower nail stickers offer a fun way to enhance your nail art, with 30 sheets of colorful floral designs. Each sticker features a self-adhesive backing, making it easy for you to select a pattern and apply it directly to your nails. For a longer-lasting finish, you can add a layer of nail polish on top. These stickers are perfect for various occasions, whether you're decorating your fingernails, toenails, or even personal items like phone cases. Plus, they are made from safe, high-quality materials, so you can use them confidently, knowing they are suitable for everyone. And finally, at number 1, we have the ABOLINE 60 Sheets Nail Art Stickers Set. The ABOLINE nail art stickers offer a wide variety of colorful and stylish designs, including flowers, butterflies, gold patterns, and fun shapes like hearts and stars. This gives you plenty of options to mix and match for any occasion or season, making your nails stand out. The stickers work well on both short and long nails, allowing you to create unique and delicate designs easily. Applying these stickers is simple. Just peel, place, and press without any drying time or special skills needed. With their self-adhesive and flexible design, they stick smoothly and last long when sealed with a clear top coat, giving your nails a polished and elegant look. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.